Hi everyone, welcome to Tech World. Today I'm going to show you how to sign up for PayPal account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. PayPal is an online payment service that makes it easier for people to send money to each other. Customers can create an account on PayPal's platform that is linked to their credit card or checking account. In order to sign up or create a new account for a PayPal, first, make sure that you've downloaded the application on your mobile devices. If you're doing this on your computer, go ahead and type in www.paypal.com and reach to the official website of PayPal. Once you have the application for yourself, tap it open. And the very first interface of PayPal will look like this. If you already have an account, go ahead and type in your email address followed by your password and tap Login. But if you don't have an account yet and you're trying to create one, tap the Sign Up button beneath the Login button. You will need to add in your mobile number. After selecting your country from the drop-down, make sure to enter the correct mobile number that you have access to, since you will need to verify your mobile number for your PayPal account. Once you enter the mobile number, tap the Next button on the next page. The verification code will be sent to your mobile number that you just entered. Once you receive it, type it in or paste it in. On the next page, enter an email address for your account and create a new password for a PayPal account that you'd like to use. While creating a password, make sure that your password is 8 characters or longer. You can use both upper and lowercase letters, at least one number and a symbol. Once you enter the password and your email for your account, tap the Next button at the bottom that have your profile by typing in your first name, your middle name if available, and then your last name. Now choose your date of birth information from the toggle menu beneath. Finally, tap Next at the bottom. Now type in your address into the search box. Once you do that, go ahead and enter rest of the information and tap on this box right here that says I agree to be bound by PayPal's user agreement and privacy policy. Finally, tap on Agree and create account. The bottom. Now you need to link a debit or a credit card so that you can send money or shop at ease. You can enter your card number right now or tap on Skip and do it later, which is located at the upper right. You can get push notifications on your phone that will get you alerts and activity and keep your account secure. To do so, tap on Enable Push Notifications, or you can skip this step by tapping on Not Now. Finally, you can see this kind of an interface where it says Welcome, which means you've successfully signed up for an account, and that is how it would look like. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.